Hello guys, my name is Saurabh. Today I am going to show you how to download MySQL. Just come to the Google Chrome and simply type MySQL or MySQL. Go to the download, scroll down, just click on MySQL Community GPL downloads. After that, there are options like MySQL Cell, MySQL Operator, MySQL Workbench. Just simply click on MySQL installer for Windows. Select the version, it's the latest, and for Windows, just download 285.3 MB version. It got everything in it. It will ask you to log in or sign up. So if you want to, then go for it. But if you don't, just simply click on no thanks and start download. I've already downloaded it, so I'm just going to show you how to install it. There are many options: server only, client only, full custom. Just leave it as it is. Click next. Execute this. Go next. Again next. Leave them as it is. Go next. Go next. Choose a strong password. Just go to next. Again next. Next. Execute it all. It will take some time. After this, finish it. Next. Finish it. Again come to this. Now add. Again add. Workbench. Here are available products. You have to just swipe through the this box. This box is what you want. First, as MySQL Workbench. After that, click on MySQL cell. Again add one version. Swipe to the right. Now to MySQL router version. Swipe to the right. Next. Again next. Continue anyway. Execute it all. It will take some time again. MySQL shell usually take more time to install. That is why it is taking longer than usual. Now after installation, continue next. Again next. You can after this finish it. Next and again finish it. You can clearly see that this is MySQL shell and this is MySQL benchmark. Workbench, sorry. Click on this. You can simply type the password what you have created at that time. Simply click on it. And after this you can start using MySQL on it. Thank you guys.